Welcome back to another episode of Help Me Build My Monte Carlo. And today we will be changing out the brake caliper. So you're gonna have to take off one bolt, which is a size 11 millimeter. So you need a size 11 millimeter socket. Fits perfect, but what I do is I use some pliers to pinch off the line so you won't have too much fluid leaking out. When you do take it off, you just have a little fluid leaking out. So let's get started. So we've broken it loose. Let's go down to our little pin. Almost like if you are changing the oil. So it's a little bolt. Let that drain. Actually, this is coming at the caliper because I pinched off the line so no brake fluid is coming through the line. Alright, that's done. This is the new caliper, as you can see. Same concept. Put it in. Get your bolt. Put it back in. Screw it in. Tighten it up. And now it's time to put your brake caliper back on. But first, we're going to install. First, we're going to install the brake pads. The one with the clip always goes in. The inside, as you can see, this one has some grooves and it sits right on there. It sits right inside the grooves. So, time to put it back on. Brakes on, caliper on. Now it's time to put in the bolts. They come with new bolts, so you don't have to worry about the old ones. Misplaced the alley key. See? There you have it. Brake caliper and brake pad replacement. And make sure you press on the brake until they get real tight. You turn the car in the on position, but do not crank it up. And keep pressing until the brakes get tightened. And you are done.